I'm like just realizing that I got burnt yesterday. Like my chest is burnt, but like not that bad. But my forehead's burnt. I don't know if you can tell on camera. My whole face probably looks red, but. Ew. This had coffee in it and I used it to rinse my mouth and I'm in. Ew. That's disgusting. I realized that I haven't done an hotel room tour, so let's do that. So this is the door. When you come in, there's a closet on your right with a safe in it, and like we only use this to hang up like rain jackets and like put our dirty laundry. And that's the smelly blanket from yesterday's vlog. Over here's the bathroom. The bathroom is trashed, but it's okay. Sink, mirror, toilet, and shower. Oh, the water went down good. Okay. And then that's that light, and that's this light. Okay, so you have a big mirror, and then over here we have a microwave, a what is that thing? A coffee maker, and then like a fridge and a freezer type situation. And then we have like my parents' stuff in here. Still wearing my pajamas. This is my stuff, and then all of our snacks that we haven't really eaten in. Well, my mom ate those, but. And then we have a TV. And then we have a chair, that's all my clothes. And then we have the view. And we can see the ocean. Oh no, the battery's gonna die. Okay, I gotta hurry up and do this. And then my camera stuff, and then I have a pull-out sofa. And then this is where all our plugs are, and then I cover this with my shirt because this thing like glows at night and like it's really bright. Anyway, so that's my dad's side of the bed, and that's my mom's, and like literally like, oh, it's my phone. But that's the difference between my parents. And then yeah, that's about it. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna wear, and I gotta change this battery, and I gotta charge this battery. Vlog life. Okay, so I put a new battery in, and it's full. Okay, so why does it look like it's raining? I don't know, it's just a runoff. Okay, sorry, distracted. So the blanket from yesterday, I went down and asked for a new one. So this is the new one, and it smells perfectly normal. And then I compared them. I'm like, Mom, here, smell this one, and like smell the new one. She's like, oh my gosh, it does stink. And like they didn't believe me, but like that's our story. So yeah. So I think I'm going to go to the beach and maybe like, I mean, people are in the water, so I don't know what I should do. Like, I was gonna like go to the beach and take pictures, but I think I'm gonna like put my shorts on and like take flip-flops just in case like, you know, like I wanna walk around like in the water. I mean, also it is import week, and down here, like, import week basically means people with a whole bunch of like foreign cars are driving around down here, and they make a lot of noise, which also means there are a lot of people standing on the side of the road. And we had an encounter yesterday where someone was fake jumping in front of our car. So they do that too. I don't know if you can hear them here. Let's go around the balcony. It's probably gonna be windy, but you might be able to hear them better. See, there's like, I don't know, hold on. It's loud and it's a little bit windy, so I don't know if you can hear me, but there are cars. I don't see any right now, but they're like foreign cars, and they like rev and they make a lot of noise, and like, yeah. But yeah, so I think I'm actually gonna change and go to the beach maybe. It seems like a good thing to do, maybe. Someone's watching me from the other building. They waved back. Okay, so I changed my mind. Oh wait, where's the light? I changed my mind. I put on my bikini because I figured I would go to the beach, take a couple pictures, and then I would come in or go to the outside pool. I don't know, I haven't really, oh wait, I just was outside. I was gonna say, okay. So I gotta see what the water feels like outside, and then like, if it's cold, I think I'll come inside because it's like a warm pool inside. So I gotta do something with this hair. So I came to the beach, but I only took like 3 pictures. This is my mom. You haven't seen her in like any of my vlogs this time, but she's alive. She's sick and she's busy. What are you doing? Tell them what you're doing.
I'm at a WOCN, Wound Ostomy Continence Nurse Conference.
It's boring. Your voice sounds so bad.
I'm sick. I'm doing this while sick. How stupid and dedicated of a nurse I am. So she's going back when we get back to the hotel. And I'm probably going to the pool because there's nothing else to do. And that's about it. Yeah, sorry they didn't do the conference on the boardwalk. That would be cool. Probably BFE. But you'd probably be attacked by all those birds. Yeah, those nasty car people. Yeah. So I finished at the beach, and then I think I'm going to the pool because like there was people in it, but they just got out. So I'm going to run to the what's it called? Room and get some snacks. There's cleaning people. The door is like really hard to push open. Okay. So I'm gonna grab some snacks. This is my outfit. I have my bathing suit on, and then I put my flannel, and apparently my bikini top matches. So outfit of the day. I don't know what the heck that was. Okay, So hack, if you have a baggie of something that doesn't have like, you don't have like a clip to close it, take a bobby pin. Can't see it, but it's okay. It's a bobby pin. It goes in your hair. And just put it, oh, I dropped it. Hold on. Okay, so just take it and put it on. You gotta put it on sideways so it'll stay, and then your snacks stay nice and closed up and they don't get all over your $1,000 camera equipment. So I'm gonna go back to the pool and see if there's people there, and if there isn't, I think I'm gonna go swim for a bit. And I think my mom still has like 45 minutes until like her meeting thingy, so yeah. Really looks like I'm not wearing pants, but so he came back from fishing. You didn't catch anything, did you?
Nothing worth talking about.
Yeah, he just caught some more sea bass. I can't. Okay.
Some sun rays. I caught a big stingray.
You did?
Yep, didn't tell you that one. He was probably about as big as the hood on Mommy's car.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he was a beast.
What'd you do with him?
I cut the line. I didn't want to deal with him.
Oh, wow. So you lost all of your stuff that you bought?
No, I gave up before I lost it all.
Well, we went to, well, I was at the pool with Bright. I was at the indoor pool. I swam, that's why my hair's wet. But when he came, there's like a whole bunch of kids and like their parents and then like their grandparents. So it's like what, 15 people down there?
Yeah.
So we're like, oh, we have an outdoor pool. And
15 people, and 10 of them were little 2-year-olds peeing in the pool.
yeah. So we thought, oh, we have an outdoor pool. Why don't we just go there? So we go and we realize that the outdoor pool is basically in shade 24 hours a day because of the building next door. Because these people across the street, they have a nice sunny pool. They're all happy, but ours is like, it was freezing cold too. So we came up here and now we're trying to figure out where I can get fruit because I want to eat something because all I've been eating is Chex Mix.